Hi friends. Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is basically just gonna be like a getting it all done video. It's Monday, I've got the day off, the big kids have the day off. Kai went to daycare and I'm just gonna get some cleaning done. If you've been around for the last few months, you know that cleaning has been a big struggle lately. My mental health has been trash lately, and keeping my house together and my mental health, I feel like just goes hand in hand. So I've been trying to be better at it, but I've got a big mess on my hands. So I'm gonna I'm gonna start a little laundry. I'm going to start putting laundry away because that is a big, I don't know why, I just hate putting laundry away. I'll share throughout kind of what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, the method that I'm using to kind of lazy clean, in a sense, just get everything done. It's better than nothing. I hope this gives you a little bit of motivation to clean. I'm actually just filming this to hold myself accountable to getting this shit done, but I hope you like it. Let's get into it. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't showered in like 2 days. It's been the weekend, so it makes sense, but this is gonna be my cleaning attire. I actually might change my shirt because I'm getting a little sweaty, but I don't have a bra on, so I'm gonna have to go do that. But these leggings, Lululemon, love them. And my favorite sandals, my little Adidas slides. I'll link them below because they're the bomb.
One last ticket before it's gone. One last summer before it's fall. Tune your strings and play your cards. Little words hit me like a game of darts. And you're beating on my drum. And you're beating on my door, running faster than my dreams, and I can't stop to breathe.
Kitchen tends to be like the catch-all because it's just like a big counter that we don't have to use for anything technically. So that's why there's so many things on here. So I've got all this stuff that I need to take somewhere else. I don't know what to do with this slime. I ordered it on Amazon and it was really for me, and now the kids just want to play with it all the time. So I don't know what to do with it. I don't know where to put it, but I'm thinking, oh, maybe I think I'm gonna do something here.
One last lie before the truth. One last fight before I lose.
I forgot to do this, but before I get into anything like wet or dirty, I'm going to use this gloves in a bottle. I don't know if you've heard of it, but I have psoriasis, and in the wintertime my hands typically get really bad, and it's just now started to get a little cold where we are. So I'm starting to like feel itchiness and stuff on my hands, and I have to wash my hands quite often. Like I'm at school, whatever. When I'm cleaning the house, I get my hands wet a lot because I'm washing my hands because I'm touching something nasty. Gloves in a bottle. I heard about it from Go Clean Co. Yeah, Go Clean Co, I believe. But basically they say wash your hands and then apply a small amount, work in well, allow to dry, reapply every 4 hours. So I just do like that much, and then I'm gonna rub it in just like it's lotion. Ooh, that might have been too much. Get some on my wrists. And it's like a barrier cream, or I don't know if that's what you call it. It doesn't come off when I get my hands wet. It comes off as my skin cells come off, I guess. I don't know if there's a science behind it. I like it. I do like it. So that's what it looks like. You can get it on Amazon. I'll link it below as well. You can get like bigger bottles or smaller bottles, I think. It does make a difference. Truly, it definitely makes a difference. Yeah. Let it dry all the way.
Where should I go?
have 2 nuggets. They're like the off-brand nuggets from Sam's Club. And we used to have them both up in the kids' room, but it's way too much. So I put one down here. And let me just tell you, it doesn't look bad from back here. Yeah, Roscoe basking in the sun. But when you get up close, these are so dirty. Like, look at the stains. So dirty. And then Kai got peanut butter on it. So I gotta clean these, but like just taking the thing off, sometimes the zippers, especially on this one, the zipper's all jacked up. So like taking it, undoing it, just stresses me out even thinking about it. So I don't even want to clean it. I'm just gonna leave it for now, and then maybe like for Christmas I'll give them some new ones.
To breathe.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time.
So we're gonna do it like this, so when you go get a video out, it's like kind of like at the library where you just grab one out of here.
Wait.
What?
I know what we can do over here. We can like stack them like this, so the first one right here, then stack on top and top and top.
What?
It's cool for the leftovers.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna get these ones. Oh shit! Sorry. Okay.
That's
Okay. So Russell had his DVDs in here since we don't have internet right now. And the kids just like annihilate them all the time. So I thought I'd bring this thing up because they broke this side. So I just brought it up from downstairs. We have 3 of them, so there's still 2 down there. And I thought for now, I don't really love the way it looks, but, excuse me, sis. At least then there's a little bit of organization. I think, kids, can you go get 2 of those black boxes? I'm going to put 2 black boxes down here so that any toys that the kids end up having up here, I could put in the 2 black boxes. Like those little, the little black cubbies. So momentarily there'll be 2 black boxes, and then I have no freaking clue what to do with this side. I might see if I have a plant that would fit. If not, I don't know. But guys, I still got a wreck going on, and it's probably almost 1 o'clock. Put those boxes, no, not that side. Put it on the other side over here, right here. There we go. Nice job. That's where you're gonna put your toys. So take all the toys out of here and put them in those bins.
No, where am I going to put right
I don't know. I think I'm gonna find a plant to put right there, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna look around. Whew, we are taking a break. Oh, I just got so lightheaded. I've been taking a little bit of a break for a bit. Laid down on the couch, took a break. The kids are trying to put together the mousetrap game. Mara said, "We need Daddy. Daddy's an expert." And I was like, yeah, I don't want to put it together. I'm not good at it. But I'm getting ready to get up and have a little snacky poo. And then I'll get back to cleaning.
There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive.
Okay, 1 room, officially clean. Besides this. And that is cleaning. I need to sell it, so the thing is clean. But got all the laundry off in there. This is clearly not picked up, but we're good. We just need to vacuum in here and mop 1 room down. to film this though, Sissy, because it's gonna take a long time. We were out on the front porch. I had to finalize my grades, but now we're gonna make some soap. Little break. So we're not gonna film this though, we're just gonna make it, okay? We're not filming.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do this, then I gotta go change the laundry. Start putting some laundry away.
Wait, I got an idea. I'll bring this. So I can.
We ended up making that squishy soap. I haven't checked, it's been cooling, but it had to be like steamed. But we ended up making that. Now we're outside in the backyard. Russell brought Kai home, and I'm gonna take a shower here soon, and then put some laundry away. Oh, do my outdoor workout, and then put some laundry away and do the floors. So I don't know if that'll even be in this video. If it is, I'll put it right here. I hope this video gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. In all reality, it just held me accountable to do the cleaning. I think that's going to be it for this video. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.